was using this jar before, and I noticed that wasn't enough, and that dries out rather quickly in the summer. So I figured, let's make something for these birds, but let's just use something, you know, out of the recycle bin. I don't know why. First I cut it the small size, and then afterwards I said, well, why are you doing that? You should just make it this big. So regardless, we have two of them there. Let's use a couple of outdoor screws on some scraps of wood. And we'll see how this holds up. I may add to this in the future, actually.